Dear kids, I'm taking your exercise 14C, problem number 18, which says, in the following figure, ABCD and PQRS are two parallelograms. So if you can see ABCD and PQRS are two parallelograms. That means the lines are parallel. Okay. Further it says such that angle D is 120. Angle D, I'll mark it here, 120. And Q is 70. You have to find value of X. I'll just zoom the figure so that you can clearly view it. You have to find X. That means you have to find this angle. Now my dear kids, if this is a parallelogram, just look at the red color. If this is a parallelogram and this is 120, that means one angle is 120. So what will be this? This will be 60. Why 60? Because adjacent angles of, or you can say co-interior angles in a parallelogram. So can I write in parallelogram ABCD, if angle D is equal to 120, therefore angle C will also will be equal to 60. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Once you got this, so here this part, this angle C is 60. Now if you notice PQRS, I am doing with blue. PQRS, if Q is 70, can I say angle S also 70? Why? Because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So I will write next step, in parallelogram PQRS, angle Q is equal to angle P is equal to 70 degree, because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Once you get that equal, I'll mark this point as M. Now look at a small, very small triangle. I'm coloring yellow. SMC. In triangle SMC, you have angle SS 70. You have angle CS 60. You have to find angle M, which is X degree. We know very well, जब तीन एंगल्स आपके होते हैं ट्रायंगल में, so sum of all these three angles will be equal to 180. That means you will get the value of X as 50 degree. Are you getting my point clear? So you got your X value is equal to 50 degree. Next I am taking your problem number 17, which goes something like this. You have a rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. If I name this rectangle A, B, C, D, the diagonals of rectangle intersect at right angle. I'll put this as O, and these intersect at right angle. Prove that this rectangle is a square. अगर rectangle को square बनाना है तो उसके adjacent sides equal कर दो. So if this is a rectangle, I want to make this as square. Can I say this and this should be equal? Adjacent sides should be equal. So in a way, you have a target to make AB is equal to AD. So आप लिखोगे to prove. So if you want to prove that this rectangle is a square, you have to prove that the adjacent sides are equal. How to prove AB is equal to AD? Can I take two triangles, that is AOB and AOD? I will write in triangle AOB and triangle AOD. AO is equal to AO because that's the common side. Then you have angle AOB is equal to angle AOD, that is each is 90 degree. And what else you can say? BO is equal to OD. Why? Because if you know rectangle के जो आपके diagonals रहते हैं that bisect each other, वो equal हिस्सों में divide होते हैं. So BO is equal to OD because diagonals bisect each other. Once you got three reasons, which three reasons? Angle, then side and side. So you have side angle side test से two triangles, that is AOP is congruent to triangle AOD. Once you got two triangles congruent, you can write therefore AD is equal to AB by CPCT. Once you got AB is equal to AB, AB is equal to AD, that is this is equal to this. Therefore, you can say that quadrilateral ABCD is a square. Next is your problem number 11, which says if ABCD is a parallelogram, so the opposite sides are given में आप लिख सकते हो. What is given to you? AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC, and they are also parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. You have to prove that AP bisects angle A and BP bisects angle B and angle DAP plus angle CBP is equal to angle APB. Now my dear kids, first look at the problem. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे सो इस पैरेललोग्राम में आपको ये निशान दिया गया है, दैट मीन्स AD is equal to DP. If it is such, then this triangle will become an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. Hence, I can say that the base angles are also equal. That is, angle DAP is equal to angle DPA. Okay, but angle DPA is equal to angle PAB because the lines are parallel. So these are Z forming. So I can say that this angle DPA is equal to PAB. In your first equation, you say DPA is equal to DAP. In your second equation, you say DPA is equal to PAB. So here you can cut DPA. So what will be remaining? That DAP is equal to PAB. That means your this angle DAP is equal to PAB. And once you got two angles like this are equal, that means the central line will be called as a bisector of angle. So can we say therefore therefore AP is bisector of angle A. Similarly, my dear kids, you have to, now my dear kids, here on this side, if you notice on this triangle, CB is equal to AD. Got my point? Now I'll just erase the part so that you can make it clear. It was given that AD is equal to DP, DP is equal to PC. Okay, but AD is also equal to BC. So can I say that BC is equal to PC? So this also becomes an isosceles triangle. If this is an isosceles triangle, again same property that the base angles will be equal. अगर ये आपस में इक्वल हैं, बट अगर आप नोटिस करोगे CPB is equal to PBA. So you will write first PC is equal to CB. Therefore, I'll erase this part. Therefore, angle CPB is equal to angle CBP. That is the base angles. Mark this as equation number 1. But angle CPB is also equal to angle PBA because they are alternate angles. Therefore, from equation you can put this as equation 2. CPB cut. So CBP is equal to PBA. That means CBP is equal to PBA. These both angles are equal. Therefore, you can say PB is a bisector. So your first two are done. For your third, you have DAP plus CBP. This angle, I'll mark with black. DAP plus CBP is equal to APB. That means this angle plus this angle is equal to this angle. How we'll do that? Now you can put this. Now you have already proved that AP and PB are angle bisectors. So if I can put this as XX and this as YY. Okay. Now my dear kids, this is 2x, this is 2y. And do you know that 2x plus 2y, because they are the adjacent angles, the co-interior angles of parallelogram, their addition will be 180. From there you will get x plus y is equal to 90. Okay. Now if I go in triangle PAB, angle PAB plus angle PBA plus angle APB is equal to 180. Angle sum property in a triangle. Now PAB you have already kept x and PBA you have already kept y. इन दोनों का एडिशन 90 है, तो PAB और PBA की जगह पे मैं लिखूंगी 90 plus angle APB is equal to 180. So APB is equal to 180 and this 90 will go there. So subtraction 90. So angle APB is equal to 90 degree. Now my dear kids, if you notice, I'll put with red, x plus y, these two angles ka addition is also 90 here and APB is also 90. So you can mark this as equation 2 and this as equation 1 and you can write from equation 1 and 2 you can say that DAP plus CBP is equal to APB. Got? This is your problem number 19 which says ABCD is a rhombus. So ABCD is a rhombus. That means all its sides are equal. And rhombus has also property that opposite angles are equal. So if angle B is 56, so here angle D, half of D will also be 56. Got? Further it says DCEF is a square. DCEF CEF. That means this is a square. That means these all sides are equal. Okay. Further it says you have ABC given as 56 and you have to find the remaining angles like DAE and so on. What we will be doing is you can take okay, let's join this CE. So I'll join the CE. I'll just zoom this. Okay. Now you have already I have given that if ABC is 56, therefore angle ADC will also be 56 because opposite angles of rhombus are equal. Now if quadrilateral DEFC is a square, so can we say angle EDC is equal to 90 degree? And if I together want angle ADE, that will be angle EDC plus angle ADC, that is 90 plus 56, that is 146. Got my point clear? Now we have, okay, if I take this triangle, that is in triangle ADE, you got the value of AD. What is the angle sum property? Angle ADE plus angle AED plus angle AED and DAE is equal to 180. Now my dear kids, if you notice AD is equal to ED, मैंने सब जगह पे निशान दे दिया है so you can understand. But AD is equal to ED, that means this triangle is an isosceles triangle. And you got the value of ADE is 146. So you can put it 146 here. And AED you can put it X. DAE also X. Why? Because they are the base angles of isosceles triangle. I'll mark this as blue so you will understand. So in this triangle, the base angles are XX and the central angle D is, we found it as 146. From there, we will get, so 2x is equal to 180 minus 146. That is 2x is equal to 34 and x will be equal to 17. So you got the value of DAE, or you can say angle AED as 17 degree. Okay, so you got this. And you want next, we have FEA. Where is F? FEA. Now my dear kids, if you notice this entire will be 90. Am I correct with this? And you got this angle to be 17. So अगर आपको FEA चाहिए तो you can make 90 minus 17, that will be 73 degree. Yes. Next we have, why we got this 90? Because it's a square. So square का एक angle 90 होता है. Then we have to find EAC. I'll just erase a bit so that it is clear. EAC. We want this angle. How we will find it? Now BAC here If you notice, this is an isosceles triangle. So its base angle BAC will be, we will write in triangle BAC. I'll just erase this part. In triangle ABC, BC is equal to AB, therefore it's an isosceles triangle. We can write angle ACB plus ABC plus ACAB will be equal to 180. Out of that, ABC you have 56. You can keep them as x and x. And from there you will notice you will get 2x is equal to 124 and you will get x value as 62. So you will get this, I'll mark it as yellow, this each angle as 62. But we are looking for AEC. What I'm looking for? BAC. BAC I got. So I got BAC. But I'm looking for AEC. Correct? AEC. This angle. Now your this part is 90 degree. This entire. Out of that, this will be your 17 degree. If you know very well, the diagonal EC bisects 90 degree in two equal parts. So this is 45, this is 45. 45 में से अगर आप 17 माइनस कर रहे हो तो रिमेनिंग विल बी योर AEC. Okay, so you have to do to find AEC, एंगल AEC के लिए आप क्या करोगे? 45 डिग्री. हाउ यू गॉट 45? 90 एंगल का जो बाइसेक्टर होता है, जो डायगोनल होता है, दैट बाइसेक्ट्स एंगल ऑल्सो. So you got this as 45, and out of 45 if you subtract 17 degree you will get your AEC, that is 28. Correct? Okay.